Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write better prompts in Stable Diffusion. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to start with a clear subject. You need to be specific about what you want to see. For this example here, a futuristic city with flying cars at sunset. Then after typing your prompt, add art style or medium. Tell the AI how the image should look or feel. Example, oil painting, animation, steampunk, cyberpunk, digital art, and more. Then include a camera or composition details. This helps create a more cinematic look. Examples: wild shots, portrait shots, macro lens, ultra wide shot, depth of field, and more. Then you can also use a descriptive adjectives. You can add textures, mood, and detail. Example: highly detailed, 4K, cinematic lighting, misty atmosphere, realistic skin texture, and more. And avoid common prompt mistakes. Don't overstuff too many unrelatable ideas. Avoid vague words like nice or good, and don't forget punctuation. Use commas to separate ideas clearly. And that's how to make a better prompts in Stable Diffusion images. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.